Okay, ዛሬ ዩኒቨርሲቲ ኢንትራንስ ኤግዛም ኩዌስችን ነው የምንሰራው። ኦኬ and the questions are from the derivative. Okay ከደሪቬቲቭ ፓርት የወጡ ጥያቄዎችን አብረን እንሰራለን። ታዲያስ ከ2000 እስከ 2005 ያሉ ጥያቄዎችን አብረን እንሰራለን። ጀስት ምንድነው ሪኮመንድ ማድረጋችሁ ጥያቄ መልሱን ከማየታችሁ በፊት ጥያቄውን በራሳችሁ ሰርታችሁ ራሳችሁን ኢቫሉዌት እንድታደርጉት ሪኮመንድ አደርጋችኋለሁ። ሶ let's go to question. Okay, question number 1. Okay, if g of x is equal to x times f of x times f of x minus a square root of f of x, and it's given that f of 2 is equal to f derivative r 2 which is equal to 4. Then because following is equal to g derivative r 2, g derivative r 2 ስንት ይሆናል? g of x is equal to x times f of x minus square root of f of x, and f of 2 is equal to f derivative r 2 which is 4. ስለዚህ with respect to x derivative እናደርጋለን። መጀመሪያ that is solution g derivative r x is equal to x times f of x። እዚህ ጋር ምንድነው የምንጠቀመው? ፕሮዳክት ሩል እንጠቀማለን። that is x derivative times f of x plus f derivative r x times ax minus ቺኛዋ ደግሞ ቼን ሩል እንጠቀማለን። square root of f of x is that is 1/2 radical f of x times ውስጠኛው ደሪቬቲቭ ስናደርግ that is f derivative r x ይሆናል። this is the same is x derivative is 1 times f of x is f of x plus x times f derivative r x minus 1/2 radical f of x times f derivative r x ይሆናል። so just replace just the question g derivative r 2 ስለሆነ in case of x 2 እንጠቃለን። g derivative r 2 is equal to f of 2 plus 2 times f derivative r 2 minus 1/2 radical f of 2 times f derivative r 2 ይሆናል። so this is the same with f of 2 ማለት 4 ነው plus 2 times f derivative r 2 is again which is 4 minus 1/2 square root of f of 2 is that f of 2 is 4, that is radical 4 times f derivative r 2 is again 4. This is the same with 4 plus what is the power of 7 sickness 1/2 square root of 4 is 2 times 4, and 4 plus 8 is 12 ይሆናል sickness 4/4. that is 12. This is the same with 12 sickness and which is equal to 11 ይሆናል ማለት so choice 1 a 11 b 8 c 2 d 0 ይላል መልሱ a 11 ይሆናል ማለት ነው። okay question number 2 if f of x is equal to f of x is equal to x square plus 2 ln x ከሆነ then limit h approach to 0 f of 2 plus h minus f of 2 over h is equal to right. In this case we know limit h approach to 0 f of 2 plus h minus f of 2 over h is the same with this is the same with f derivative r 2 መፈለግ ማለት ነው። limit h approach that's the formal definition of limit ምንድን ነው? limit f derivative r x ብንባል አሁን is equal to limit t approach to x f of t minus f of x over t minus x ነው የሚሆነው። this one is the formal definition of ወይም ደግሞ እዚህ ጋር ይህንን አፕላይ ለማድረግ ምንድን ነው የምናደርገው? let t minus x is equal to h okay as t approach to x t ወደ x approach ሲያደርግ this implies h ወደ ነው approach የሚያደርገው t ወደ x approach ሲያደርግ x minus x ነው የሚሆነው that h approach to ወደ 0 approach ያደርጋል ማለት ነው። and from this one t is equal to h plus x ነው የሚሆነው that is f derivative r x is equal to limit t approach to x ነው h approach to 0 f of t የምለው f of h plus x minus f of x over x is the same as f derivative at x. ስለዚህ guys x እንድራ ማለት ነው 2 ነው ማለት ነው። So based on this, okay, based on this, limit h equal to 0 f of 2 plus h minus f of 2 over h is the same as f derivative at 2. ስለዚህ ይህን derivative እናደርግ f derivative at x is equal to x square derivative to x plus 2 የነን x derivative that is 1 over x. So f derivative at x is equal to 2x plus 2 over x. And we are asked to find f derivative at 2 which is equal to 2 times 2 plus 2 over is equal to 4 ሲደመር 1 is equal to 5 ይሆናል። So question number 2 the answer is a5 b4 c2 d0 ላይ a5 ይሆናል ማለት ነው። Question number 3, okay, if f of x is equal to f of x is equal to e the power of 2x e the power of 2x plus x minus 3 cos x 3 cos x corner, what is f second derivative of x? Second derivative of x? So let's go apply that. So f derivative of x is equal to exponential, no? E the power of 2x derivative is e the power of 2x rational, no derivative 2x derivative 2 ይሆናል plus x derivative and no minus 3. The cos x derivative is minus sin x. So this is the same with 2 e the power of 2x plus 1 minus times minus is plus 3 sin x. This one is f derivative of x. First derivative no. F second derivative of x. So ደግሞ ራሱ ይሆናል 2 e the power of 2x. Yeah, you know 2x derivative times 2 plus constant derivative is 0 plus 3 sin x derivative is cos x. So this is the same as 2 times 2 is 4 e the power of 2x plus 3 cos x. So question number 3, that is 4 e the power of 2x plus 3 cos x is D. Okay. Question number 4, artinya ጥያቄ, okay. Let f of x as equal to pi square. ከሆነ let f of x equal to pi square ሲሆን then f derivative of 1 is equal to 0. So this one is simple because pi square is constant, it's a number. So number ቁጥር derivative ስናደርግ 0 that is f derivative of x is equal to n number derivative is 0, that is this implies, okay, f derivative of 1 is equal to 0 ይሆናል። Any number derivative at any point is 0 ይሆናል። So the answer is question number 4, that a to pi b pi square c 0 d 1. Last answer is c which is 0 ይሆናል። Question number 5, let f of x is equal to 6x over x plus a. For what value of a is f derivative of a is equal to 1. F derivative of a is equal to 1 የሚሆነው what the values of a value ስንት ሲሆን ነው? ስለዚህ at x derivative እናደርግና the increase of x a ስንት እናደርጋለን? f derivative of x is equal to ይሄኛውን ደግሞ ምንድነው ብለን እናደርገው quotient ሩል ላይ እናደርጋለን። that is 6x derivative times x plus a minus 6x እናስቀምጥና x plus a derivative over x plus a the whole square. And this is the same with 6x derivative is 6 into x plus a minus 6x into x plus a derivative. X derivative is 1, a derivative is 0, so times 1 corner over x plus a the whole square corner. That is f derivative of x is this one. That is f derivative of x is equal to 6x plus 6a minus 6x over x plus a the whole square. And 6x cancelled by 6x, and this is equal to 6a over x plus a the whole square. Now f derivative of x 6a 6a over x plus a the whole square. No? Now, f derivative at a is equal to 1, not above. F derivative at a, this implies is 6a over a, that is a plus a the whole square is equal to 1. That is, this implies 6a is equal to a plus a is 2a square scenario 4a square 4a square. ወይም ደግሞ እዚህ ጋር ማለት እንችላለን 6a over 4a square, okay, 6a over 4a square is equal to 1 ይሆናል። so አንዷ a በአንዷ a ትጠፋለች። ከዛ ምን እናገኛለን? 6 over 4a is equal to 1 ይመጣል። this implies, okay, over 1 ብናደርግ እስከ ብናደርግ 6 እኩል ይሆናል 4a ይመጣል። then over 4 over 4 a is equal to by ጠፋ 6 በሁለት 3 ይሆናል። ሁለት a is equal to 3 over 2 ይሆናል ማለት ነው። so question number 5 a 1 over 3 b 2 over 6 c 3 over 2 that is c 3 over 2 ይሆናል ማለት ነው። the next one is question number 6, okay. Question number 6. If g of x is equal to g of x is equal to f of x over x plus 1 plus f of x the whole square ከሆነና f of 1 is equal to a, f derivative at 1 is equal to 2, then g derivative at 1 is equal to what? G derivative at 1 is equal to simple. So the first step is just look derivative with respect to x derivative እናደርጋለን. That is g derivative at x is equal to ይሄኛው derivative ስናደርግ just look like quotient rule. That is f derivative at x times x plus 1 minus f of x እናስቀምጥና x plus 1 derivative over x plus 1 the whole square plus f of x the whole square derivative ስናደርግ ደግሞ just look like chain 2 into f of x times የውስጠኛው derivative f derivative at x ይሆናል። so አሁን ማለት ቀጥታ f derivative g derivative at 1 መተካት እንችላለን። that is g derivative at 1 is equal to f derivative at 1 ወይም ደግሞ አንድ መጣስ ይችላል። that is f derivative at 1 into 1 plus 1 which is 2 minus f of x plus 1 derivative is 1, so 1 times f of x is f of x terminal plus 2 times f of 1 times f derivative at 1 ይሆናል። and this is the same with f derivative at 1 ማለት 2 ነው። 2 ሲባዛ በ2 over x plus 1 the whole square, that is x is not over this one ከዚህ ብቻ ለዚህኛው ብቻ ለዚህኛው ራሱ ብቻ ነው ይሄ ራሱ ብቻ ነው ለዚህኛው ፓርት ብቻ ነው ለዚህኛው ፓርት over x plus 1 the whole square, that 1 plus 1 is 2 square is 4 ይሆናል። so this is the same with f derivative at 1 ማለት 2 ነው። 2 ሲባዛ በ2 4 ይሆናል minus f of 1 ማለት ደግሞ 8 ነው። 8 ሲካፈል ለ4 ሲደመር 2 ሲባዛ f of 1 ማለት 8 ነው። f derivative at 1 ማለት ደግሞ 2 ነው። so this is the same with 4 ሲቀነስ 8 ኔጌቲቭ 4 ሲካፈል ለ4 ሲደመር 2 ሲባዛ በ8 16 ሲባዛ በ2 32 ይሆናል። minus 4 divided by 4 is this is equal to minus 1 plus 32 which is 31 ይሆናል ማለት ነው። so question number 6 the answer is a which is 31 ይሆናል ማለት ነው። okay. question number 7 ሰባተኛ ጥያቄ let f of x is equal to f of x is equal to g of radical 4x plus 1 for x plus 1, and if g derivative at 3 is equal to g derivative at 3 is equal to 1 over 2, okay, then f derivative at 2 is equal to blank. F derivative at 2 is equal to blank. It's given that f of x is equal to g of radical g into, okay, radical 4x plus 1. If g derivative was equal to 1 over 2, then f derivative at 2 is equal to blank. Now, how to get f derivative at x in value? F derivative at x is equal to chain rule multiplying now, that is g derivative at radical 4x plus 1 times 4x plus 1 derivative, that is 4x plus 1 derivative 1 over 2 radical 4x plus 1. Dengan ደግሞ የ4x plus 1 derivative ደግሞ አራት ይሆናል። that is g derivative of 4 radical 4x plus 1 times radical 4x plus 1 derivative. Radical 4x plus 1 derivative ደግሞ 1 over 2 radical 4x plus 1 times ውስጠኛው derivative 4x plus 1 derivative is አራት ይሆናል። This is the same with g derivative of 4x plus 1, that is g derivative of radical 4x plus 1 times በሁለት ይሆናል፣ በሁለት አንድ ይሆናል፣ that is 2 over radical 4x plus 1 ይሆናል። Now f derivative of 2 is equal to g derivative of radical ሁለት ባለባራት 8 ውስጥ ሲደመር 1 9 ይሆናል። 9 times 2 over radical ሁለት ባለባራት 8 ሲደመር 1 9 ይሆናል። This is equal to g derivative, that is g derivative of radical 9 which is 3 times 2 over 3 ይሆናል። And it's given that g derivative at 3 is 1 over 2 ከተሰጠው አንድ ሁለተኛ ሲባዛ ሁለት ሶስተኛ። This is the same with 2 cancelled by 2, the answer is 1 over 3 ይሆናል። So question number 7 is 1 over 3 which is b ይሆናል ማለት ነው። Okay. Question number 8, ስምንተኛ ጥያቄ let f of x is equal to f of x is equal to e the power of 3x minus 1 and g of x is equal to tan x ከሆነና if f of x, okay, if f capital ነው f of x is equal to f of x plus f of g of x ከሆነ then the following is f derivative at 0. f of x is equal to x minus 1, g of x is equal to x. f of x is equal to f small x plus f of g of x. Then what is f capital derivative at 0? ስለዚህ አሁን ምንድነው የምናደርገው? ከዚህ ላይ አሁን f derivative at x ብንባል ምንድነው የሚሆነው? or ወይም ደግሞ ምን ማድረግ እንችላለን? ይሄን ቀጥታ derivative ማድረግ እንችላለን። f derivative at x is equal to f derivative at x plus ወይም ደግሞ ቻናል እንጠራዋለን f derivative at g of x times g derivative at x. And we are asked to find f derivative at 0 is equal to f derivative at 0 plus f derivative at g of 0 times g derivative at 0. Now we don't know f derivative at 0 and f derivative at x. We now just consider this one as 1. Now f derivative at x is equal to exponential is a power of 3x minus 1 ratio times 3 1. 3x minus 1 derivative 6. This implies f derivative at 0 is a power of 3 times 0 is 0, is a power of minus 1 times 3 which is equal to 3 over 81. And the other one is g derivative at x is equal to g of x tan x. No, g derivative at x is sec square x. It's the same with 1 over cos square x. And g derivative at 0 is equal to 1 over cos 0 the whole square. Cos 0 and no and square and no, so 1 ይመጣል። derivative at x 1 ነው። f derivative at x 3 over e ማለት ስለዚህ ቀጥታ እዚህ ጋር መተካት ነው። this is the same with f derivative at 0 is equal to f derivative at 0 ማለት 3 over e 3 over e plus f derivative at g of 0 g of 0 ማለት ደግሞ g of 0 ማለት እዚህ ጋር መተካት ነው። this implies g of 0 ማለት g of 0 is equal to tan 0 that is sin 0 over cos 0 degree ማለት sin 0 that is 0 ነው cos 0 አንድ ነው። ስለዚህ ምንድነው የምናደርገው? f derivative at g of 0 is 0 ይሆናል። g of 0 is 0 then times g derivative at 0 g derivative at 0 ደግሞ አንድ ነው። g derivative at 0 is 1 ይሆናል። so this is the same with 3 over e plus f derivative at 0 f derivative at 0 f derivative at x e the power of 3x minus 1 ነው e the power of 3x minus 1 times 3 ነው። f derivative at 0 ከተባለ ደግሞ እዚህ ጋር ማድረግ ነው 0 መተካት ነው e the power of 3x minus 1 that እዚህ ጋር derivative ጋር መተካት ነው 0 መተካት ነው 0 ሲተካ that is 3 over e that is plus 3 over e 3 over e plus 3 over e is 2 times 3 over e that is 3 over e is 6 over e ይሆናል። that is f derivative f capital derivative at 0 ስትመጣ 6 over e basically ምንድን ነው አይደንቲፋይ ማድረግ ያለብን? ኦኬ f derivative at x ያንዳንዱ derivative እናደርጋለን። ኮሽንት ሩል ከሆነ ኮሽንት ሩል አፕላይ ማድረግ፣ ቼን ሩል ከሆነ ቼን ሩል አፕላይ ማድረግ፣ ፕሮዳክት ሩል ከሆነ ፕሮዳክት ሩል አፕላይ ማድረግ then we have to apply the given criteria apply አድርገን መስራት ነው። so question number 8 the answer is d which is 6 over e ይሆናል ማለት ነው። question number 9 ዘጠነኛ ጥያቄ ኦኬ question number 9 let h of x okay h of x is equal to let h of x is equal to x plus 3 the power of x and f capital f of x is equal to f of x x ከሆነና f derivative at 4 is equal to minus 1 ከሆነ then f derivative at 1 is equal to ስንት ይሆናል? h of x plus 3 the power of x ነው። f capital X is equal to f of h of x ከሆነ f derivative at 4 is equal to minus 1 ከሆነ what's the answer of this one? ስለዚህ አሁን ምንድነው ቀጥታ ዴሪቬቲቭ ማለት ነው f derivative at x is equal to ቼን ሩል አፕላይ ማድረግ ነው f derivative at h of x times h derivative at x እንጠቀማለን and we are asked to find f derivative at 4 is equal to minus 1 ነው then h of x is equal to yes we are asked to find f derivative at 1 ነው ተጠየቅነው ስለዚህ f derivative at 1 is equal to f derivative at h of 1 times h derivative at 1 እንሰራለን። this is the same with f derivative at h of 1 ማለት 1 plus 3 the power of 1 is 3 then 1 plus 3 is 4 ይሆናል times h derivative at 1 that is h of x plus 3 the power of x ከሆነ h derivative at x is equal to 1 plus 3 the power of x ln 3 ይሆናል። so h derivative at 1 ደግሞ ምንድነው የሚሆነው? that is times 1 plus 3 the power of 1 is 1 3 ln 3 ይሆናል። Now f derivative at 4 ደግሞ f derivative at 4 is minus 1. So this is the same with minus 1 into 1 plus 3 ln 3 ይሆናል። This is equal to minus 1 minus 3 ln 3 ይሆናል ማለት ነው። So question number 9, the answer is okay. Question number 9, the answer is minus 1 minus 3 ln 3, which is B ይሆናል ማለት ነው። Okay, stay at that. Question number 10. Question number 10. If f of x is equal to f of x is equal to, okay, if f of x is equal to ln into 2 plus sec x, 2 plus ln, if x is equal to ln into 2 plus sec x component, okay, then f derivative at x is equal to ይሆናል። So f derivative at x is equal to ln derivative, that is 1 over 2 plus sec x times sec x derivative. So it's the same with sec x derivative is sec x tan x over 2 plus sec x. Which sec x derivative sec x tan x ወይም ደግሞ ከፈልጋችሁ quotient rule apply ማለት sec x ማለት 1 over cos x ነው። ዜን quotient rule apply አድርጋችሁ መስራት ይችላል። that's why sec x tan x እናገኛለን። So question number 10 is a tan x over 2 plus sec x, b cos x over 1 plus, ስለዚህ simplify ማድረግ ይጠበቅብናል። there is no choice. ስለዚህ sec x ማለት 1 over cos x times tan x ማለት sin x over cos x over 2 plus sec x ማለት 1 over cos x ይመጣል። So this is the same with sin x over cos square x over crisscross binary 2 cos x plus 1 over cos x. Again, this is the same with sin x over cos square x times cos x over 2 cos x plus 1. Then cos x, the square root of it, then we can get sin x over cos x times 2 cos x plus 1. Again, it's the same, sin x over cos x is tan x over 2 cos x plus 1. So question number 10, the answer is D, that is tan x over 1 plus 2 cos x. Okay. Question number 11, አስራአንደኛ ጥያቄ። Okay, for f of x is equal to x is equal to x square radical 2x plus 12. Okay, what is the equation of tangent line to the graph of f at x is equal to equation of tangent line. So let's equation of tangent line formula, that is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. ወይም ደግሞ መጠቀም እንችላለን y minus f of x is equal to f derivative of x into x minus f of x naught ማለት ነው። x minus f of x naught x naught ማለት እንችላለን። ስለዚህ መጀመሪያ ምንድነው የምናደርገው? ዴሪቬት እናደርጋለን። the function f of x derivative at x is equal to 2 ዴሪቬት ስናደርግ we can get the equation, the slope of the tangent line እናገኛለን። that is f derivative at x is equal to ይሄኛው ዴሪቬት ለማድረግ the slope ላይ ፕሮዳክት ነው x square ዴሪቬት ስናደርግ 2x ይሆናል። that is x square derivative times radical 2x plus 12 plus x square እናስቀምጥና radical 2x plus 12 ማድረግ ነው derivative ማድረግ x square derivative is 2x into radical 2x plus 12 plus x square times የዚህኛው derivative ደግሞ 1 over 2 radical 2x plus 12 times 2x plus 12 derivative is 2 ይሆናል። This is the same with 2x radical 2x plus 12 plus 2 cancel by 2, that is x square over radical 2x plus 12 ይሆናል። now f derivative at 2 እንሰራለን slope ለማግኘት that is 2 times 2 is 4 radical ሁለት ባዘ በሁለት 4 ነው 4 ሲደመር 16 ነው plus x square is 4 over radical this one again 16 ይሆናል። so this is the same with 16 radical ወደ 4 ሆነ 4 ሲደመር 4 ሲባዛ በኋላ 16 ይመጣል plus 16 radical ወደ 4 ሆነ 4 አባራ 4 ማለት 1 ነው so this is the same with 17 this is slope ይሆናል ማለት ነው። so ሌላ ምንድነው ፖይንቱ ምንድነው 2, f of 2 is the point okay ምን ፖይንት ነው ስለዚህ f of 2 እንላለን f of 2 ማለት 2 square that is 4 radical 2 ሲባዛ በ2 4 ነው ሲደመር 16 ነው 16 which is equal to 16 ከራዲካል ሲወጣ 4 ይሆናል 4 ሲባዛ በ4 16 ይሆናል። ስለዚህ m ስንት አገኘ m is 17 slope 17 ነው the point is 2,16 እነኚህን ፖይንት ተጠቅመን equation of tangent ላይ እናገኛለን ማለት ነው። that is y minus y1 is 16 is equal to m ስንት ነው 17 into x minus x ነው ፖይንቱን ይሆናል። this is the same with y is equal to 17 into x minus 2 plus 16 ወይም ደግሞ አሰራይተን ፋይናል ፖይንቱን ማግኘት እንችላለን ማለት ነው። so question number 11 is the answer is which is b ይሆናል ማለት ነው። y is equal to 17 into x minus 2 plus 16 ይሆናል ማለት ነው። question number 12 12ኛ ጥያቄ okay 12ኛ ጥያቄ if g of x is equal to x times if g of x times f of 3x plus 1 f of 3x plus 1 and f of 4 is equal to 1 f derivative at 4 is equal to 2 then what is g derivative at 1 g of x times f of 3x plus 1 f of 4 is equal to 1 f derivative at 4 is equal to 2 what is g derivative at 1 እዚህ ምንድን ነው የምናደርገው ይህን derivative with respect to x ማለት ነው g derivative at x is equal to immediate by product x derivative times f of 3x plus 1 plus x እናስቀምጥና f of 3x plus 1 derivative ማለት x derivative is 1 so f of 3x plus 1 plus x in derivative f derivative at 3x plus 1 times 3x plus 1 derivative is 3. So this is the same. So g derivative at x is equal to f of 3x plus 1 plus 3x f derivative at 3x plus 1. So this is our aim to find g derivative at 1. G derivative at 1 is equal to f of 3 times 1 is 1, 3 plus 1 is 4, f of 4 plus 3 times 1 f derivative at 4. So f of 4 is which is 1 plus 3 times f derivative at 4 is 2 which is 2. So this is the same with 1 plus 3 times 2 is 6 which is 7. So 12ኛ ጥያቄ which is A7 ይሆናል ማለት ነው። Okay. Question number 13, okay? 13ኛ ጥያቄ what the simplified form of the derivative of f of x is equal to sin x over 1 plus cos x. ስለዚህ ምንድን ነው የምናደርገው? just will apply quotient will apply f derivative at x is equal to sin x derivative times 1 plus cos x minus sin x እናስቀምጥና into 1 plus cos x derivative ማለት sin x derivative is cos x into over over 1 plus cos x the whole square. Sin x derivative is cos x into 1 plus cos x minus sin x into 1 derivative is 0, cos x derivative is minus sin x over 1 plus cos x the whole square. This is the same as Penasarat cos x plus cos square x. So it's not minus x minus plus sin square x over 1 plus cos x the whole square. It's the same as cos square x plus sin square x is by using trigonometric derivative is 1, that is cos x plus 1 over 1 plus cos x the whole square. Then cos x plus 1 with alpha, then the final answer is 1 over 1 plus cos x. So as a sustainnya jadi 1 over 1 plus cos x which is b honar. Okay. Question number 40. Okay. Asratnya jadi which of the following is the equation of the tangent line to the graph of f of x is equal to 3x over x minus 1 at 2 comma f of 2 comma f of 2. Basic point line equation of tangent line. Kadang dasar nomor mana? Slope line. Slope line mana? Derivative mana? That is f derivative at x. Just apply quotient to apply narko 3x derivative times x minus 1 minus 3x into x minus 1 derivative over x minus 1 the whole square. 3x derivative is 3 into x minus 1 minus 3x x minus 1 derivative is 1 over x minus 1 the whole square. This is equal to 3x minus 3 minus 3x over x minus 1 the whole square. Minus 3x cancelled by 3x minus 3x is 0, so minus 3 over x minus 1 the whole square. And our aim is to find f derivative at 2 is equal to minus 3 over 2 minus 1 the whole square. 2 minus 1 is 1, square is another 1, so minus 3, which is slope. The next one is the point at 2, okay? F of 2 method. F of 2 mana? So sebaza bulat sedist no, sekafar bulat sekanis and no, so sedist no. The point is 2 comma 6 corner. The equation of tangent line y minus y1 m into x minus x1. Itinya x1 corner, itinya y1 corner. Y minus 6 equal to m is minus 3 into x minus 2 corner. Y is equal to minus 3x plus 6 plus 6 yang udah selesai is equal to minus 3x plus asra plus ikonan wave double balik kemarin kali ini cuma udah jadi nama y plus 3x is equal to asra plus udah kucing udah tidak senang kemarin. So asra ratenya terjadi melsu mendengar dulu malam that is dy plus 3x is equal to asra plus kemarin. Question number 15, asram statement again, okay? Let g of x is equal to g capital X is equal to g of x is equal to f of 3x square plus 1 over x minus 1. Kemudian, where f is differentiable function on real number without 1, okay, and function without 1, differentiable corner. If f derivative of 0 is equal to 0, f derivative of 0 is equal to 0 component na f derivative of minus 1 is equal to 2 component na f derivative of 3 is equal to minus 3 component 0 is g derivative of 0 is equal to plus. So f is equal to just apply g derivative at x like g derivative at x. Just will apply chain rule now, quotient rule. Quotient rule that is f that is g derivative at x is the same with f of 3x square plus 1 over x minus 1 ዴሪቬቲቭ ማለት ነው። ይሄን ዴሪቬቲቭ ስናደርግ ደግሞ ኤፍ ዴሪቬቲቭ አት 3x ስኩዌር ፕላስ 1 ኦቨር x ማይነስ 1 ታይምስ 3x ስኩዌር ፕላስ 1 ኦቨር x ማይነስ 1 ዴሪቬቲቭ ማለት ነው። ዛት ኢዝ g ዴሪቬቲቭ አት x is equal to f ዴሪቬቲቭ አት 3x ስኩዌር ፕላስ 1 ኦቨር x ማይነስ 1 ታይምስ ችኛውን ዴሪቬቲቭ ማለት ነው 3x ስኩዌር ፕላስ 1 derivative times x minus 1 minus 3x square plus 1 times x minus 1 derivative over x minus 1 the whole square. So this is the same with f derivative of 3x square plus 1 over x minus 1 into 3x square plus 1 derivative is 6x into x minus 1 minus 3x square plus 1 x minus 1 derivative is 1 over x minus 1 the whole square matrix. So this is the same with okay that is equal to f derivative of 3x square plus 1 over x minus 1 into 6x times x is 6x square minus 6x minus 3x square okay 3x square minus 1 over x minus 1 the whole square ይሆናል። So ሲጨርሰው so the given condition እናስቀምጥና የተሰጠው ኮንዲሽን እናስቀምጥና ስለዚህ የተጠየቀው ምንድነው g derivative at 0 g derivative at 0 is equal to f derivative at እንግዲያም f derivative r እዚህ ጋር 0 ብንተካ 0 ነው 1 ኦቨር ማይነስ 1 ነው የሚሆነው f derivative r ማይነስ 1 ነው እዚህ ጋር 0 ይሆናል 0 ፕላስ 1 is 1 እዚህ ጋር 0 ማይነስ 1 is ማይነስ 1 ይሆናል 1 ኦቨር ማይነስ 1 is ማይነስ 1 ይሆናል ኢንቱ 6x ስኩዌር that is 0 ሲተካ ይሄ 0 ነው እዚህ ጋር 0 እየተካ ስለምን ይሄ 0 ይሆናል ይሄም 0 ይሆናል ይሄም 0 ይሆናል that is minus 1 over x minus 1 0 because 0 minus 1 is minus 1 so it's not 1 over 1 ይሆናል that is f derivative at minus 1 is 2 okay 2 ነው የሚሆነው into minus 1 divided by 1 is minus 1 so g derivative at 0 is equal to minus 2 ይሆናል ማለት ነው 15ኛ ጥያቄ minus 2 which is a ይሆናል ማለት ነው okay question number 16 16ኛ ጥያቄ if g of x is equal to if g of x is equal to f of x square plus x f of x square plus x and f derivative at 2 is equal to minus 2 f second derivative at 2 is equal to 3 ከሆነ okay then g derivative at 1 is equal to ብላል ስለዚህ አሁን ምንድን ነው የምናደርገው just derivative ማለት ነው g derivative at x is equal to f of x square plus x derivative this is the same with f derivative at x square plus x times x square plus x derivative ማለት ነው that is f derivative of x square plus x times x square derivative is 2x x derivative is 1 ይሆናል the next one is f g second derivative of x g second derivative of x is equal to f derivative of x square plus x times 2x plus 1 okay the whole derivative in derivative scenario ደግሞ ምንድነው የምናደርገው f second derivative of x square plus x times x square plus x derivative times 2x plus 1 ምንድነው የምናደርገው እዚህ ጋር ስቴፕ እንዳናል ኦኬ ይሄንን እንደ አንድ ፋንክሽን እንውሰድ ይሄንን እንደ ሁለተኛ ፋንክሽን እንውሰድ ስለዚህ ምንድነው የምናደርገው f derivative of x square plus x ይህንን ዴሪቬቲቭ እናደርግና ታይምስ 2x + 1 ፕላስ 2x + 1 ዴሪቬቲቭ ታይምስ f ዴሪቬቲቭ at x ስኩዌር ፕላስ x ማለት ነው። ስቴፖች ይደረጋል። ሶ ይሄን ዴሪቬቲቭ ስናደርግ f ዴሪቬቲቭ ሰከንድ ዴሪቬቲቭ at x ስኩዌር ፕላስ x ታይምስ x ስኩዌር ፕላስ x ዴሪቬቲቭ እናደርጋለን። x ስኩዌር ፕላስ x ዴሪቬቲቭ ታይምስ ይሄኛው ራሱ ነው 2x + 1 ፕላስ 2x + 1 ዴሪቬቲቭ is 2 okay f ዴሪቬቲቭ at x ስኩዌር ፕላስ x ይሆናል። ስለዚህ ዘ ሴም ዊዝ f ዴሪቬቲቭ ሰከንድ ዴሪቬቲቭ at x ስኩዌር ፕላስ x ይሄኛው ዴሪቬቲቭ ስናደርግ 2x + 1 ታይምስ 2x + 1 ፕላስ 2f ዴሪቬቲቭ at x ስኩዌር ፕላስ x ይሆናል። ሶ ዚስ ኢዝ ዘ ሴም ዊዝ f ዴሪቬቲቭ ሰከንድ ዴሪቬቲቭ at x ስኩዌር ፕላስ x ታይምስ 2x + 1 the whole square plus 2f derivative at x square plus x. Now our aim is to find g derivative at 1. Okay. Okay. Now g second derivative at 1 is equal to f second derivative at 1 square is 1, 2 ይሆናል ማለት at 2 times 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1 is 3 square is 9 plus 2 times f derivative at 3 ይሆናል ማለት ነው። So this is the same with f second derivative at 2 is 3 times 9 plus 2 f derivative at 3 f derivative at 2 times is equal 1 ስለተጠቀ 1 plus 1 is 2 ነው is 2 ነው because 1 is 1 plus 1 is 2 ነው f derivative at 2 derivative at 2 ደግሞ minus 2 ይሆናል። So this is the same with 3 times 9 is 27 2 times minus 2 is minus 4 27 minus 4 is 23 ይሆናል ማለት ነው። g second derivative at 1 is 23 ይሆናል ማለት ነው። 16ኛ ጥያቄ that is 23 is c ይሆናል ማለት ነው። question number 7 okay question number 17 17ኛ ጥያቄ let f of x is equal to ln x square minus 3x ከሆነ then f second derivative at minus 1 is equal to blank. So ይህንን ለመስራት ምንድን ነው የምናደርገው? that is f derivative at x is equal to የለን derivative is that is 1 over x square minus 3x times የውስጠኛው derivative x square minus 3x derivative is 2x minus 3 ይሆናል። So f derivative at x is equal to 2x minus 3 over x square minus 3x. f second derivative at x question to work by matter 2x minus 3 derivative times x square minus 3x minus 2x minus 3 እናስቀምጥና x square minus 3x derivative over x square minus 3x the whole square is the same as 2x minus 3 derivative 2 ነው የሚሆነው x square minus 3x minus 2x minus 3 times x square minus 3x is 2x minus 3 ይሆናል over x square minus 3x the whole square. This is the same with እዚህ ጋር 2 into x square minus 3x minus 2x minus 3 the whole square over x square minus 3x the whole square. Now just our aim is to find f second derivative at minus 1. ስለዚህ f second derivative at minus 1 is equal to minus 1 2 into minus 1 square is 1 minus ማይነስ 1 ሲተካ ፕላስ ነው የሚሆነው that is ፕላስ 3 ይሆናል። ማይነስ 2 ኢንቱ ማይነስ 1 እንተካለን 2 ኢንቱ እዚህ ጋር ማይነስ 2 ኢንቱ ማይነስ 1 ማይነስ 3 the whole square over minus 1 square is 1, okay? 1 minus minus is plus plus 3 the whole square. That is 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8 minus 2 times minus 2 minus 2 minus 3 is that is minus 5 the whole square over 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 square is around 6. This is equal to 8 minus 5 square is 25 over 8 minus 25 is minus 17 over 16 ይሆናል። So question number 17 is minus 17 over 16 which is 8 ይሆናል ማለት ነው። Okay. Question number 18, okay? 18ኛ ጥያቄ if f of 2 is equal to minus 3, f of 2 is equal to minus 3, f derivative of 2 is equal to 4, g of 1 is equal to minus 5, g derivative of 1 is equal to 1 ከሆነና f of x, f capital X is equal to f of 2x plus 2 times g of 1 minus x square ከሆነ the following is f derivative of 0 is equal to ስንት ይሆናል? So ይህን ለመስራት ምንድነው ቀጥታ derivative with respect to x derivative ማለት ነው። f derivative of x is equal to ይሄኛው በፕሮዳክት ሁለት ላይ ያደርጋል። that is f of 2x plus 2 derivative times g of 1 minus x square plus f of 2x plus 2 times g derivative of 1 minus x square. So in the derivative f derivative of 2x plus 2 times 2x plus 2 derivative is 2 times g of 1 minus x square plus f of 2x plus 2 times g derivative g of x derivative number that is g of this one is derivative number, so g derivative at 1 minus x square times minus x 1 minus x square that is minus 2x ይሆናል ማለት ነው። So this is the same is 2 times f derivative at 2x plus 2 times g of 1 minus x square plus that is wave ደግሞ minus ማለት ይችላል that is minus 2x times f of 2x plus 2 g derivative at 1 minus x square. ስለዚህ የተፈለገው ምንድነው? g derivative at. So the question is ምንድነው የተፈለገው? f of 2 is equal to so f derivative at 0. ስለዚህ f derivative at 0 is equal to 2f derivative at 0 ሲተካ እዚህ ጋር 2 ይሆናል times g of እዚህ ጋር 1 ይሆናል እዚህ ጋር 0 የሚሆን minus 2 times 0 ስለሆነ ይሄኛው 2 times x 0 ስለሆነ ይሄ ፓርቱ times 0 ስለሆነ ይሄ ፓርቱ 0 because 2 times 0 is 0 ነው 0 times other part is 0 ነው። ስለዚህ እቺን ብቻ ነው የምንሰራው 2 times f derivative at 2 is 4 times g derivative at 1 is 1 ስለዚህ 2 ባዛ 4 8 8 ባዛ 1 is 7 ስለዚህ f derivative at 0 is 8. Question number 18 which is question number 18 that is 2 times f derivative at 2 f derivative at 2 አራት ነው። እንደገና g of 1 is negative 5 okay that is g derivative at 1 ነው g of 1 5 so times 5 ነው የምናደርገው። ጂ ማይነስ 5 ዳት ጂ ኦፍ 1 ማይነስ 5። ስለዚህ 2 ሲባዛ በ4 8 ነው። 8 ሲባዛ በኔጌቲቭ 5 ኔጌቲቭ 40 ይሆናል ማለት። ስለዚህ ኤፍ ዴሪቬቲቭ አት 0 ካፒታል ኔጌቲቭ አት 0 ኔጌቲቭ 40 ይሆናል። 18ኛ ጥያቄ ኔጌቲቭ 40 ወደ ዲ ይሆናል። ኦኬ question number 19 18ኛ ጥያቄ if f of x is equal to x square plus 2 ከሆነ then limit h approach to 0 f of 1 plus h minus f of 1 over h is equal to ስንት ይሆናል? እንደዚህ ከሆነ ምንድን ነው የሚሆነው? f derivative at 1 ማለት ነው። መጀመሪያ f derivative at x እንፈልጋለን። that is to x ነው። f derivative at f of x is that is x is the power of 5 now. Okay, that is x is equal to x is the power of 5 plus 2 now. Say f derivative at x 5x the power of 4 now. You know, f of limit h approach to 0 f of 1 plus h minus f of 1 over h 1 f derivative at is the same as f derivative at 1 ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ f derivative at 1 is equal to 5 times 1 the power of 4 which is equal to 5 ይሆናል ማለት ነው። The final one is question number 20. Okay, final example. If f of x is equal to x squared plus 2 ln x, then limit h approach to 0 f of 2 plus h minus f of 2 over h ስንት ይሆናል? Okay, so again this is the same with f derivative of 2 ማለት ነው። Okay, so f derivative of x is equal to x squared derivative 2x ነው plus 2 times ln x derivative 1 over x ነው። So f derivative of one has to find f derivative of 2 which is equal to 2 times 2 plus 2 over 2. That is 2 times 2 is 4. Okay, plus 1 that is 4 plus 1 is 5 ይመጣል ማለት ነው። So ለዛሬ በቃና